Good morning, and this is my project number 4, and I will tell you about for eclipses. What is an eclipse? Eclipses are astronomical phenomena that occur when a planet or moon gets in the way of the sunlight. They cause so much astrophysment that they usually mobilize hundreds of thousands of people seeking to get the best view of the phenomenon. Types of eclipses. The solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon gets in the way of the sun's light and cast its shadow on the earth. That means that during the day the moon moves in front of the sun and goes dark. The lunar eclipse. In this case of a lunar eclipse, the earth prevents the sun's light from reaching the moon. This means that at night the full moon disappears completely as the earth's shadow covers it, turning a reddish color. The images represents the position of both the earth, the moon, and the sun for the two types eclipses to occur. Duration of an eclipse. The eclipse solar. It depends on the distance between the moon and the sun. In their totality, they can last 2 hours, but their exact phase usually does not exceed 8 minutes. The eclipse lunar, they can be observed for hours and from any point on Earth, although depending on the place where the observer is located, they can be seen for more or less time. What could an eclipse produce on the Earth? Temperatures may drop rapidly as a result of the temperature change. Warm air stops rising from the ground and causes a change in wind speed and direction. This phenomenon is known as eclipse wind. The effect lasts only a few minutes during the eclipse. Should we be should we be scared by an eclipse? There are actually many myths. For example, if a pregnant person observes the eclipse, the baby could be harmed. But the truth is, it is not true. What really happens is that if you see an eclipse, you put your eyesight at risk and can cause retinal burns and permanent blindness. Who ought to I safely view an eclipse? In order to safely observe a solar without emitting out eyes, special glasses or visors with filters that block the sun's rays are needed. Now I leave you with a video who people enjoys this phenomenon. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.